Hi all, in this video I'm going to share guys a tutorial to move Reactor from one computer to another. So let's jump into this tutorial. So to move Reactor from your old PC to new PC, first you need to copy the Reactor folder from your old PC. So for that, find your Reactor folder. If you don't know the Reactor folder, then open DaVinci Resolve, Workspace, Script, Reactor Tools and choose Show Reactor folder. It will show the Reactor folder and just press back and copy the folder named Reactor to your new PC. After that, on your new PC, if you already installed Reactor, then you need to reinstall it. If you have not installed a Reactor, then you need to install it. So for that, head out to the link given in the description, download the script file, then open DaVinci Resolve, head out to Fusion page, then drag and drop the installation file. It will show the installation menu, and from there choose custom path and select the folder where you copied the Reactor folder, and make sure it is not inside the Reactor folder but outside the Reactor folder. Then select install and launch. It will take some time to load all the plugins that you installed on your old PC. So that's it. Now your new PC will have all the Reactor plugins you installed on your old PC. So that's it. That's all about this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.